Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again. What I got going on today, to make it real quick and simple. So, this is trash. So, basically, I took off the intercooler. So the way the piping kind of lines up with this isn't lined up that well. So I gotta lower this a little bit more to get it all lined up, because if I like twist it, it kind of twists everything, makes it all weird. So I'm gonna weld some pieces that are gonna extend out, and then they're gonna go into the frame. So hopefully that turns out good, and let's see how it goes. So I had to stop because I ran out of welding wire, so I gotta go to Home Depot, get some right now, come back and then redo it again, or start over again. I just kind of did like a I forgot what it's called. I just like added some little welds just to hold it up, as you guys saw. But I'm gonna go get more welding wire so it can be stronger. So I got the welding wire. I'm gonna replace this right now, like so. The thing I hate about this is once you unravel it, it wants to like come apart. Then it comes a bit. Continue on. Alright. This is an awkward position, so let's hope I'm able to do it even though still. The welds on these are ugly. I feel like I don't know what happened. I feel like I low-key fucked up, but I think it'll hold. It's pretty hot. I know I'm gonna get another part reinforced. I think a middle bar, another one that'll go into the frame where I had it before. But fuck. Spray paint it and it'll come out looking like fucking $1 million. All right, so I got it. There it is. It is a little, it was a little tight. I don't think I spread it out enough, but so it's like a little bent, as you guys can see, but this is sitting way better now. it fits in there perfectly. When I would do it earlier, like I would have to lift, the pipe would be right here and I had to lift it all the way up to like almost over here, and it would bend all the couplings and everything over here and make it all weird. So now it's not doing that, which is good. But yeah, it is sitting way lower, but I'm on bag, so it'll raise up. It's like at the bottom almost of the, at the same height as almost as the frame, or the like the support for the radiator. It's like a little, maybe like an inch or so. Nah, it's about the same. It's like right there. You see that? It's about the same. So, but, and it's on there pretty good. It is a little jumpy. So I was trying to say like I'd probably get like another weld it here and I'll run over here and there, and then from the body up. But there's like already 3 holes right here, so it'd be a little hard since I would need something to like give support for the bolt. Oh, sorry, there's 3 little holes. I need something to give support for this, so I don't know if I'd be able to do that, but I don't know. I guess I'll see. We'll see. If not, maybe I could get like an extended nut from here to there. Just, but that'd be too much too. But for now, the welds are pretty strong, not gonna lie. Even though they look like shit, they're still pretty strong. So, nice. Pretty happy about that. We're back in the studio, cooking up, whipping up some, you know, some of that good stuff. But I do want to say something. Boom, we got our own business cards. Yeah, you heard it here first, folks. Got them business cards because we need business. No, we got business cards. 2 things. 1, because a lot of people actually asked us for business cards. Number 2, because we see a lot of cars all the time with like Tersakawas hanging from them, so we're like, oh, maybe we start carrying business cards around and then just leave them in there, so then they can hit us up, be like, hey, I need a Tersakawa, what are you gonna be a Tersakawa? Yeah. So yeah, we got dope ass business cards right here. Also, another thing, I did hire Juan over here so I could clean out the back. Juan, is it your 10-minute break? Isn't it over? Get to work, please. There you go. Very nice. I like. I don't think he's using that right, but it's okay. Got him from Home Depot, so cheap.